Let's look at marketing. The dashboards in the marketing control room include quotes, deals, leads, and opportunities. Let's review the quotes dashboard. The first row displays the number of quotes and the currency value of the quotes by date. The second row displays quote status on the left and quotes by salesperson on the right. The third row displays quotes by originating country on the left and by customer group on the right. The next row displays quotes by customer on the left and product category on the right. The last row displays quotes by product line on the left and by product on the right. Next, we'll review the logistics dashboard.